Hello. Can you predict if I start this classic car it will run? 1. If the device works well, please give me a like. 2. If you can't start it, please subscribe to my channel so I can restore this car.
Hello, xin chào tất cả các bạn nhé. Mình đang có mặt tại một đống phế liệu. Nơi đây là một
Hello,
chiếc xe.
welcome to my car restoration channel. Currently I am in a pile of scrap. In front of me is a classic car. This ancient car dates back more than 60 years to the Russian era. Now it lies motionless and quiet, covered with traces of time. The car's body is mottled with rust, many metal patches are corroded, creating an old silver-white-brown color that seems to be gradually dissolving over the years.
Made in Russia.
As if gradually melting over the years. Tires are flat, rubber is cracked, paint in many places is peeling. And covered with dust, it seemed to no longer be able to support its ruined body. The windshield is opaque, yellowed and cracked in many places, making the interior space even more dark and gloomy. The car door is rotten in places. Peeling places, creating the antiquity of a car. All of these details blend together to create a desolate beauty, like a still picture of a distant era. I won't let you wait too long. Right now, let's explore together what's inside this classic car. Let's go. When opening the door, the creaking sound makes us feel like we are entering a quiet space of the past. Inside, everything was covered by a layer of dust as thick as a translucent curtain. Each dust particle reflects the weak light from outside the glass window, creating a mysterious scene. The seat slider still works, but everything else seems to have stopped over time. Cobwebs spread across the steering wheel, dials, and gear lever, like a natural veil covering the delicate details. The steering wheel is now a circle covered in dust. The gear lever is cold and lifeless, and the clock face is so blurry that it's hard to see the numbers clearly. These details are not only evidence of wear and tear but also preserve a classic beauty, like a decommissioned machine but full of memories of times gone by. Looking at the unique details of this classic car, can you guess what its name is? And in your opinion, will this car retain its originality like in the beginning? The handbrake lever is now covered with a layer of rust, adding to the nostalgic look and mark of time. Looking at the sun visor, you can see that it has been redesigned but is now moldy, creating a feeling that is both old and strange. The ceiling of the car cannot avoid being eroded, with rotten and patchy patches, making the interior space even more gloomy. The back seat of the car looks like a relic of time. The leather or fabric upholstery has rotted, revealing torn and frayed patches, and in some places even exposed the padding inside. Only streaks remain, highlighting the wear and tear. The chair is like a piece of memory, bearing the mark of old trips but is now just an old item, evoking a feeling of mystery and nostalgia. Do you think the leather on this chair has been replaced?
Made in Russia.
Looking at this classic car, can you guess what its name is? Is there any car like this in your country? And do you know what year this car was born? If you want me to buy and restore this car, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch the next episode, where I will turn this old man into a beautiful young woman.
Theo dõi tôi để tôi phục chế chiếc xe này nhé.